Good afternoon, my dear students. I am teaching class 12th, chapter number 6, Molecular Basis of Inheritance. In the previous lecture, we have finished off with the translation process, which included initiation, elongation, and termination of the polypeptide chain. Now, we will be learning about a new topic, that is regulation of gene expression. Regulation of gene expression. Now this term gene expression, what does this term means? The term means the formation or the result of the formation of a polypeptide chain is known as gene expression. That means whatever information was there in the DNA molecule, now it has been transformed into a protein or a polypeptide molecule, that is known as the gene expression. And one more term is there, gene regulation. So what is gene regulation? Gene regulation, the meaning of gene regulation is the mechanism of switching off and switching on of gene. So what it is? It is the mechanism of switching off and switching on of gene depending upon the requirement of that particular gene inside the cell and in which stage the cell is, in which stage of development the cell is. So gene regulation is that mechanism. So in eukaryotes, if we go for, there are various levels of this gene regulation. So what are the various levels of gene regulation? So what are the various levels of gene regulation? The first level we can say as transcriptional level. Transcriptional level. In this level, what is formed? Primary transcript is formed. I am talking about eukaryotes. The second level can be the processing level. What is done in the processing level? The regulation of the splicing process is being regulated in this processing level. And the third level can be the transportation of mRNA. So what is that? Where mRNA is produced in the nucleus. So from the nucleus it is transported into the cytoplasm. So transportation of your mRNA from the nucleus to the cytoplasm can be considered the third level. And the fourth level can be the translational level. This translational level where your polypeptide is being formed. Okay students, now if we talk about, these were all various level in the eukaryotes, okay, but if we talk about the prokaryotes, in the prokaryotes we can consider the most predominant site for the regulation will be considered as the transcriptional level. Transcriptional level is more predominant in this prokaryotic. That means in transcriptional unit, as you remember in the last lecture we have studied, in the transcription unit we were having promoter region, yes, we were having promoter region, then we were having structural genes in between, and this structural gene in the end was flanked by the terminator region. So this promoter region, it is the site for the binding of your RNA polymerase. So this RNA polymerase will bind to the promoter region and will start the transcription. This is your RNA pol. But this alone will not occur. It requires some accessory proteins. That I am telling you, this promoter region will be containing some operator gene. So this will be your operator gene or operator sequence. This will be your operator sequence. And this operator sequence will be determining whether this RNA pol will be binding it to or not. So this operator sequence in turn will be very effective in binding of this RNA pol. That means This RNA pol will bind only if the operator sequence allows it to bind. So this will be the operon which will be having repressor protein. If repressor protein will bind to this operator region, then what will happen? This RNA pol will not bind. So it depends. So there are several operons in the cell which controls the gene regulation. So in the next lecture we will be learning about the lac operon which is present in the prokaryote, that is in the bacterial cell. So we have done with the regulation of gene expression. In the next topic, we will be studying about the lac operon which is present in the bacterial cell. Student, please study this topic, this gene expression, this gene regulation is very important. And in the next lecture, we will be studying about the lac operon which is very important. Kindly give a reading beforehand so that you can get a better understanding of this. Okay students, in the next lecture we will be studying about this operon. So stay at home, stay safe. Thank you.